In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the VLC error opening file for writing Libvlc.dll step by step. This is a common problem that usually appears when you're trying to install or update VLC Media Player on Windows, and the installer suddenly fails because it can't write or replace the Libvlc.dll file. Don't worry, this is easy to fix, and I'll walk you through every step clearly so you can get VLC working again. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software fixes like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is make sure VLC is completely closed. Even if you think VLC is not running, it can still be active in the background. To check this, right-click on your taskbar and open Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, look for anything related to VLC Media Player. If you see it, click on it and choose End Task. This is important because Windows cannot overwrite the libvlc.dll file while VLC is still running. Once VLC is fully closed, move on to the next step. Now, step 2 is to run VLC or the VLC installer as an administrator. This fixes most permission-related issues on Windows. Simply right-click on the VLC shortcut or the installer file and select Run as Administrator. When Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Running as administrator gives VLC the rights it needs to write files inside protected folders like program files. In many cases, this step alone resolves the error opening file for writing libvlc.dll. If the error still appears, don't worry, we have a few more things to try. Step 3 is to temporarily disable your antivirus or Windows Defender. Security software often blocks DLL files like libvlc.dll because they are being modified during installation. This doesn't mean VLC is unsafe, it's just a false positive. Temporarily turn off real-time protection in your antivirus or Windows Defender, then try installing VLC again. Remember, this is only temporary, and you can turn your protection back on once VLC is installed successfully. Moving on to step 4, if the file is still locked, you may need to manually delete the old VLC folder. First, make sure VLC is uninstalled from your system. Then open File Explorer and go to C Program Files VideoLAN VLC. If this folder still exists, right-click on it and delete it. This removes any leftover files, including a locked libvlc.dll, that could be causing the problem. After deleting the folder, you're ready for the final step. Step 5 is to restart your PC and then reinstall VLC. Restarting your computer releases any locked DLL files that Windows might still be holding onto. Once your PC boots back up, download the latest version of VLC Media Player from the official VideoLAN website and run the installer as administrator. This clean reinstall usually fixes the error completely. And that's it. You've now fixed the VLC error opening file for writing libvlc.dll and can get back to playing your videos without any issues. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.